Welcome to this comparison video between MidJourney AI and BlueWillow AI. In this video, we will be discussing the image generation capabilities of these two artificial intelligence systems and which one comes out on top. Before we dive into the comparison, it's important to note that we will be using the same prompt for both MidJourney AI and BlueWillow AI. This will ensure that both systems are generating images based on the same criteria and we can get a fair comparison. So, let's start by giving both systems the same prompt and see how they perform. We will be asking both MidJourney AI and BlueWillow AI to generate an image of a mountain landscape at sunset and an image of a 27-year-old woman on a Jeep. We'll give them a few minutes to generate the image, and then we'll compare the results. I will share the final images at the end of the video. We will start with a mountain landscape at sunset. BlueWillow. MidJourney. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's proceed with the next prompt, a 27-year-old woman on a Jeep. MidJourney. BlueWillow. I will add a few words to make it interesting. MidJourney. BlueWillow. For the first prompt, a mountain landscape at sunset, we found that the image generated by BlueWillow AI was more realistic in terms of the natural look. The colors and shading were very accurate, and the image had a very lifelike feel. On the other hand, the image generated by MidJourney AI was more artistic and impressive, with a more creative and unique interpretation of the prompt. For the second prompt, a 27-year-old woman on a Jeep, we found that the images generated by MidJourney AI were better than those of BlueWillow AI. The images generated by MidJourney AI were more realistic, with accurate proportions and details. However, the images generated by BlueWillow AI were not very convincing, with some noticeable flaws such as the woman having 3 hands and the images being disproportional. In conclusion, we can see that both MidJourney AI and BlueWillow AI have their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to image generation. BlueWillow AI is more suitable for natural scenery and landscapes such as the mountain landscape at sunset. On the other hand, MidJourney AI has an edge when it comes to generating images of human creations such as the 27-year-old woman on a Jeep. It's also worth noting that MidJourney AI is only free for a few attempts before you have to purchase a package, while BlueWillow AI is still free to use. If you're interested in trying out both platforms for yourself, you can find links to them in the video description. Ultimately, the choice between these two AI systems depends on your specific needs and the type of image you're looking to generate. We hope this comparison has been helpful in giving you a better idea of what these platforms have to offer.